everybody, welcome back to another nifage airsoft video. I'm showing today the gameplay footage I collected from the game called The Bomb Run. This is a video that I posted a sneak peek photo of on my Facebook and my Instagram profiles the other day. The links to them are in the description below, so if you want to pop over there and give them a like and follow, then please do so. You can also catch me on there, so if you want to have a chat or ask me anything, you can always ask me on there. I will reply as quickly as I can. So with that being said, the objective of this game is we've got to get the bomb. Me and my team have to get the bomb from the 4th floor down to the 1st floor as quickly as we can before the bomb on the timer runs out. Please remember, if you like this video, then please hit that like button. If you liked it enough, please subscribe. And if you're on the video, then please share it so that everybody else that you know, your friends, your family, whoever, can watch you do what you enjoy doing, which is airsoft. So cheers for that, guys. Let's get on with the video.
We're defending, aren't we? We're going down big floor first. Whichever, mate. I'm good either way. If we go down main, if we can get through that small door where Joel's going to be, and probably Joey, we can try and whip past them as quick as we can.
Yeah, it's better.
Hopefully.
Is this on the 3rd floor?
That's what I mean. If we go down here, and then if they fire through double doors,
yeah.
Hopefully we can get the bomb guy and probably 2 other guys through the small door where the bedrooms are. Get straight through down small stairs and just leg it all the way down as quick as we can, and then that's the mission done. Right, we're going main then.
Let's go! Time's counted down, let's go!
You ready?
Hit!
Did you get him?
I think I got him.
Oh, here.
Marshall coming out!
Yeah, come out, quick!
Get in there, get in there. Go on. Get it! Right, go this way.
Go, I got this. Go left.
Hit! Oh, there I got hit there. Yeah, you did, mate.
Hold up. Ready? Hit! Where is he? Up there?
Heady on right, Michael.
Ignore him.
Oh.
Let's go. Come on, you. Let's go. Keep going straight down. Let's go. Keep going. Go. Hit! I got you, dude.
Okay guys, so what happened there is me and Joey got taken out at the exact same time, so it's classed as a 50-50, so he's gone to do whatever he's got to do down to the next floor, I think. I'm going up to my regen, going back down and carry on with the gameplay.
Marshall coming in, hold fire. Carry on. Grab my grenade, mate. Grab my grenade.
Yeah, he's down, come on, let's go. Let's go. Straight down. Yeah, let's go. Where's the bomb? Who's got the bomb? Let's go.
Watch your backs.
Okay, fair enough.
Just test it.
Hey!
That's both of you dead. Nice, just test it.
Alright, Joey's on the far end of that room, straight down. You know where the corner is, to the far side? Joey's zeroed in through this door. Who? Joey. He's on the far side.
Okay guys, so as you can see we've now cleared the first floor. I'm just going around sweeping, making sure it's all cleared so that bomb guys can run through. Right now, this minute here, the bomb guy runs through and gets it to a small door, so that's the end of this gameplay. If you liked it, please like. If you enjoyed it, please share it. And if you're on it, again, share it for your friends and family to see it. And I'll see you on the next video. Thanks guys.